Welcome to Best Pickup.
10 Best Cordless Lawn Mower New Model 2021. Top 10. 10. Lithium-Ion 16LM 40V 16-inch Brushless Cordless Lawn Mower, Kit, with 4.0 Ah battery plus quick charger, ION 16LM. No pull cords, gas, oil, tune-ups, carbon emissions or tangled extension cords. Powerful brushless motor increases battery efficiency, maximizes motor performance, decreases noise and vibration and extends motor life. Compact design ideal for small to mid-sized lawns. Cutting options: bag and discharge chute, 6-position height adjustment lever tailors grass cutting height from 1.18 to 3.15 inch, ETL approved. Energy Star certified. Deck material: ABS plastic. Top 9. 9. Greenworks 40V 17-inch Cordless Lawn Mower, 4Ah battery and charger, MO40B411. The universal 40V battery system powers more than 25 products and provides gas-like performance with ample running time for normal yard projects. Includes 1. Max capacity 4Ah, 40V lithium battery. 17-inch deck is versatile and lightweight. 2-inch -1 feature offers rear bagging and mulching capability for multiple use. Single lever 5-position height adjustment offers cutting height range from 1-1/4 inch to 3-3/8 inch for the best cut in all environments. Top 8. 8. Greenworks 40V 14-inch Cordless Lawn Mower, 4Ah battery and charger included, MO40B410. Your purchase includes one Greenworks 14-inch Cordless Lawn Mower, 4.0Ah battery and charger. Product dimensions: 50.4L x 15.8W x 40.47H. Weight 33 pounds. Runtime up to 45 minutes. Greatly depends on the condition of the grass. Easy assembly required. Deck material: plastic. Handle height is not adjustable. Cutting blade type: single, metal. Single lever 5-position height adjustment offers cutting height range from 1-1/4 inch to 3-3/8 inch for the best cut in all environments. 2-inch -1 feature offers rear bagging and mulching capability for multiple use. 14 deck is versatile and lightweight. Up to 34% of U.S. homes only need one charge to get the job done. Top 7. 7. BLACK+DECKER 40V Max Cordless Lawn Mower, 20-inch, CM2043C. 2 40V Max Lithium-Ion batteries are included for twice the runtime. Mulching, bagging and side discharge of grass clippings gives you 3-inch -1 versatility. Mow right up to edges and spend less time trimming thanks to the G-MAX design. One lever adjusts the cutting height anywhere from 1-1/2 to 4 inches, without tools. 3-year limited warranty, ideal for mowing lawns up to 1/4 acre. Included components: 1. CM2043 Cordless Mower. 2. LBX2040. 1. 40V Max Charger. Power source: battery. Top 6. 6. Greenworks 25302 Arizona, 25302, 20 inches 40V, green. G-MAX 40V Lithium-Ion battery system powers multiple tools for complete yard work. System includes one 4Ah battery and one 2Ah battery and charger. 20-inch cutting deck offers a great balance of maneuverability and cutting capacity, making it ideal for mid-sized areas. Innovative Smart Cut technology adjusts for power or run time based on the thickness of your grass. Dual blades offer better cut quality, superior mulching and bagging capabilities. Kindly review the user manual under technical specification for troubleshooting steps and setup instructions. Top 5. 5. Sunjoe MJ401 CPRO 14-inch 28-volt cordless push lawn mower, with rear discharge chute. Powerful, perfect for small to medium lawns. Battery-powered mower's durable steel blade cuts a crisp 14 inches wide path with precision in a single pass. Performance: the 28V4R rechargeable lithium-ion battery for up to a quarter acre of continuous mowing per charge. Adjustable deck, tailor cutting height with 3-position manual height adjustment. Accessories: detachable 10.6-gallon, 40L, grass catcher for easy disposal. PRO version, comes with rear discharge chute, MJ401 EDCA. Top 4. 4. Sunjoe Ion 16LM 40V 16-inch brushless cordless lawn mower, kit, with 4.0Ah battery plus quick charger, ION 16LM. No pull cords, gas, oil, tune-ups, carbon emissions or tangled extension cords. Powerful brushless motor increases battery efficiency, maximizes motor performance, decreases noise and vibration and extends motor life. Compact design ideal for small to mid-sized lawns. Cutting options: bag and discharge chute, 6-position height adjustment lever tailors grass cutting height from 1.18 to 3.15 inch, ETL approved. Energy Star certified. Deck material: ABS plastic. Top 3. 3. Greenworks G-MAX 40V16 cordless lawn mower with 4Ah battery, 25,322 model. Up to 45 minutes of runtime on a fully charged 4.0Ah battery. Lightweight 16 inches cutting deck allows you to maneuver through small to medium-size yards more efficiently, ideal for yards up to 1/2 acre. Powerful electric motor, 4.0Ah battery charges in 120 minutes, easy push-button start. No gas, no oil, no emissions. 2-inch-1 feature offers versatile use with mulching and rear bagging capabilities. Top 2. 2. LawnMaster CLMF 4016K cordless 16-inch brushless push lawn mower 40V Max Lithium-Ion with 4.0Ah battery and charger. 16-inch cutting width, with a 16-inch high-impact rust-resistant deck, powerful engine, powered by 40V Max Li-ion battery, ASIN, BO93FCCQQ9. Cordless lawn mower with brushless motor technology provides a speed of 3,500 RPMs, 6 cutting positions, effortlessly change the height of cuts between 1 inch to 3 inches using a one-touch lever. Purchase guarantee, priority shipping service from our U.S. warehouse and professional customer service team. Top 1. 1. Greenworks 2X24V, 48V, 20-inch brushless push mower. 2. 4R USB batteries and dual-port rapid charger plus 24V brushless drill/driver, MO48L4210D. 2 Greenworks 24-volt Powerall batteries combined for 48 volts of exceptional, better than gas power without leaving the 24-volt battery platform, up to 45 minutes runtime with 2 fully charged 4R USB batteries. Runtime varies based on grass condition and operator technique. Dual-port charger included, highly efficient brushless motor provides more torque, quiet operation, and longer life. Durable steel 20 inches cutting deck gets the job done quicker and more efficiently. 4-inch -1 system, mulch, rear bagging, side discharge, and turbo button for leaf pickup and maximum power.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.